The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientists series by Dr. Dan Mason, Ph.D. Welcome to The Only Thing Wrong with Science is Scientists, a book born from a profound analysis of the intersection of science, philosophy, and spirituality. This work explores the debate between evolutionary theory, as endorsed by a strictly materialistic worldview, and the alternative perspective offered by intelligent design. My journey toward writing this book began as a response to what I perceived as mainstream science's staunchly atheist stance on the subject of evolution. Over the years, I have closely studied what is often termed atheist science and have come to identify what I believe are significant shortcomings and failures in this approach. It is from this extensive examination and personal reflection that the seeds for this book were sown. Chapter 1. Marketplace of Ideas. The character of the open conspiracy will now be plainly displayed. It will have become a great world movement, as widespread and evident as socialism or communism. It will have taken the place of these movements very largely. It will be more than they were. It will be, frankly, a world religion. This large, loose, assimilatory mass of movements, groups, and societies will be definitely and obviously attempting to swallow up the entire population of the world and become the new human community. H.G. Wells. The Open Conspiracy. What are we to do with our lives? The objective of this book is to explore as best I can the fundamental underpinning of the realm of science and examine its beneficial and detrimental implications for humanity. Therefore, I initiated a research endeavor to enhance my understanding of the various viewpoints available to observers. Upon starting my search, I came upon scientific dogma. Including dogma in scientific practices can provide both advantageous and detrimental outcomes. Dogma is a term that denotes a core concept or set of beliefs that are widely acknowledged as accurate and established by an authoritative entity. In science, dogma can be seen as an example of a principle supported by many years of research and still valid, even when more modern theories have corrected it. Next, I would like to point out my perspective. The debate is not between intelligent design and creationism, but rather about how intelligent design is explained, enhanced, and validated by scientific biblical creationism. Enough for naught. Please like and subscribe to learn more.